Once you get inside your new Mazda, one of the first things you'll notice is the large center touchscreen display. This is the hub of your vehicle's Mazda Connect infotainment system. Here, you can find applications, entertainment, communication, available GPS navigation, and other settings for your car. Mazda designed the screen to be easy to use. That's why it's mounted high in the center of the dash. Not only is it easy to see, but it's also simple to use. You can use it as a touchscreen or use the commander knob and shortcut buttons located in the center console. Or use the system's voice control. To change some of the vehicle's personalization and safety equipment settings, go to the settings screen, then choose the tabs of the items you'd like to change. Some of the things you can customize within Mazda Connect are display brightness and contrast, time, Bluetooth connected devices, and vehicle settings such as how your door locks operate when using your Mazda keyless entry system. And if equipped, active driving display settings or the sensitivity of some of your Mazda's advanced safety systems. All this make your time behind the wheel even more enjoyable in your new Mazda.